Let's go.
Welcome back, guys. Today is Wednesday. I'm looking for an entry. I don't know, maybe I should buy or sell. Not here. Let's not start doing the analysis, see where the market is going today. So I'm here. The first thing to open is to check maybe we have news, but there's no particular news in New York currently till maybe 2 p.m. New York time. There is one particular high impact news, but I don't know. Let me check if I can see any opportunity, maybe buy or sell. This is my DXY dollar index. That's my basis of my analysis. I'll check DXY and see what's going on there. Then I will use SMT divergence to choose my bias. So my first analysis is going to be on DXY, then from there to GBP USD, then to Euro USD, then I'll choose which market I'm buying or selling. Yeah, we are moving away from the fair value gap on weekly chart, which is this green box here. We're going up. After taking out this long buy side liquidity, we had a retracement. After filling up the retracement, the fair value gap on the weekly chart, then we are moving up again. That's the bias, obviously. And I've been buying dollar index since 3 days ago. So let's see. After filling this guy up, you can see it on 4 hour charts. We have the last fair value gap down here. Filled it up, paired with a bullish order block. This movement, downward movement, is a bullish order block. So this fair value gap on a 4 hour chart paired with fair value gap on a weekly chart paired with bullish order block, that's enough conviction that this market is going up around here. That's what's pushing the market upward. Okay, as you can see, we move up, we retest the fair value gap again just to hammer on it that this is a fucking bullish market. Then the market started going up. That is not what we're doing here today. We're just trying to analyze and see what's going on in the market. We are moving up. Then let's go to 1 hour charts. What's there? Nothing much. On a 1 hour chart, we have a CSI liquidity being taken out in the morning in London session. Before taking out this buy side liquidity, we took out CSI liquidity in the morning, then take out the buy side liquidity. I told you, after any CSI liquidity being taken out, expect a retracement or a reversal. Depends on the bias of the market on the higher time frame. That's the goal. We have taken out buy side liquidity on a 1 hour chart. I don't expect much movement, just a retracement actually. But if we take out a buy side or sell side liquidity on a 1 hour chart, 1 week chart, monthly chart, expect a long retracement or even a reversal. But in this kind of scenario, I'm just expecting a small retracement, then market will continue to go in our target. So the target, if you are moving up now, the target will be targeting this box. The box is on a daily chart, which is here, from here down to this place, this box. I think that should be our target. And if you check here, we have an inside slippage here. So market should, and it has not yet been tested, market should fill it up. Then a fair value gap from here to here, from this point to this point. So another fair value gap paired with what? And a gap, a pure gap, is slippage in the market. So if you pair everything together like this, from here to here, then to this place, market should reach out to us. It might not be today, I don't know, but that's where the market is targeting actually. If you see something maybe a big news or something, market might move aggressively to the place. But currently, we're still here moving towards it. So let's go back to 1 hour chart and see what's going on. On a 1 hour chart, the buy side liquidity being taken out, we have a small retracement, which is a one candle down candle. Is a one candle down candle. Let's go to 15 minutes chart. On a 15 minutes chart, we have a retracement after taking out that guy. Then there's no fair value gap. We just have a small gap. Yep. Here we take out sell side liquidity on a in the morning, and market started moving up aggressively. I was not around. I was in class, so I couldn't take the trade or something. But in the afternoon here now, you see a bullish order block. Market is trying to respect it after taking out your sell side liquidity. Market is respecting this guy, this bullish order block. I call it a bullish order block. Anything you call it, but let's just know that market is respecting it currently. If market should respect this guy and it doesn't fail, I'll try to look for a buy on here. But if this guy should fail, the market is going down. So I'm still patient and looking for opportunity. So this is a bullish order block here. Market trading to the main threshold, a little bit to the main, a little bit to the rejection block of the bullish order block. You see this candle that you are looking at here, this small last candle here, is going down. Why? Because of the small fair value gap between here and this here. But this one I don't think is strong enough to push it down. If it should push it down, I'm looking for a sell. But if this guy doesn't go lower and take this guy out, I'm still in the market, I'm going up. So it depends on the market, it depends on what happens currently. So, and I think that fair value gap on the 15 minutes chart is not strong enough to push the market lower and take this guy out. No, that's not possible. And I'll look for opportunity to buy around this point with this small fair value gap here. So a let me go to GBP USD and see if I can buy at this point. This fair value gap here is not enough to push the market lower. We just need it maybe to retest a particular bullish order block or a fair value gap before started going up again, because we have a target above. So let's see what happens. I'm done with DXY. Let's go to DXY says what? Bullish. Let's go to GBP USD. Maybe we are going to see a bearish setup. On the monthly chart, you've seen a lot of movement. A retracement into a weekly fair value gap, which is this green box. Inside the weekly fair value gap, you've seen a buy side liquidity being taken out, this short time high here, taken out, then retrace, going lower back to its original bias since Friday actually. Yep. So yesterday was a bearish movement, but not much, more like consolidation. It's not a long movement like that. So daily chart says bearish. Let's go to 4 hours chart and see what. On the 4 hours chart, this is Monday. This is where Monday started. Monday up, then started going lower. But let's go to the lower time frame and see what happened there. You see, we've taken out this low here. No, we've not yet taken out this low. That's a big confusion that, bro, we are going low on this. That's a fucking big confusion that we are going low. Market took out this guy, this short time low. Boom. Then started retracing back, maybe to fill up some holes up there. Yeah, some fair value gap or something, I don't know. To fill it up, then start to move on in its way direction. We have not taken this guy out. We still have a fair value gap here. It has already been filled, but not completely. We're still coming back there. Just a brick into the fair value gap is not enough. Or else we are in a very bullish scenario. We have a low to take out. This guy has already been taken out. Then we have this one. When the market took out this guy, we had the retracement. That is the reason why you see this long weak candle going up. You see? So we are targeting this guy, fill up this fair value gap, then it might reach out to this low around here. But currently, let's see if you can see a sell setup. Yep, this is what I like to see. After taking out this guy here, and this guy, market retrace to fill up some stuff. Then on the 15-minute chart, you can see there's no fair value gap actually, but we have a bearish order block which is this guy. In the morning, that side is been taken out. A brick of structure, then a very value gap to enter with. If you enter in the morning, you should have captured 30 pips in the morning. But let's see. I'm entering here. This bearish order block, though I'm late already, but I'll just join the trend. It does not yet move like that. So let me join the trend and see what happens. We have a bearish order block, just like on DXY. Here, on the 15 minute, we have a bullish order block. We have a bearish order block here too. Market reach up to that point. It started going lower. If you check 30 minutes chart, you see the order block is opened, like very obvious here. So we are here now. Let me try to enter a trade and see what happens. I will enter from here, or should I go to a 5 minute chart and see what happens? Let's see if I can see an entry. We have what do you have here? A very shadow block, right? Okay. Let me go to 3 minute chart. I can enter here actually. I'm just waiting to see some confirmation. This is enough confirmation. Let me just enter and reach out to this guy here. If I short the guy here, my stop loss must be above here. I don't expect the market to reach up to this point. I'm risking 10 pips. Let's enter from here. It should be above here. I don't expect the market to reach out to that point. I told you this guy has already been taken out. Then the next target is what? This guy. This is our next target. This guy. So I'm in, guys. I'm in already. My stop loss is above here, and I'm targeting this point here. So let's see what happens in the market. Let's see what happens. Just some peeps, you could have knocked me out. Bro, very close. This was very close. Very close. Well, anyways, this is a profitable trade. A nice setup and a nice delivery. Some people, if they are seeing something like this, like market is going against them, like they will be panic. They'll be closing their position. They'll be panic. But if you know what you're doing, you don't need to be panic. Though I didn't expect the market to move up to this point, maybe a little bit into this very shadow block on a 30 minute chart. This guy here. Some people might call it demand or whatever. I don't know. I don't care. Anything you call it, it's up to you, man. So this is a nice delivery. Fucking nice delivery.